Greetings! We are pleased to share the story of the creation of an industrial solar power plant for Logistor engineering in Cherkasy region. We have increased the company's capacity from 550 to 880 kilowatts and granted it the status of an active consumer, which allows it to use and sell excess energy more efficiently. To achieve this, we developed and approved a project to install a solar power plant on the roof with the capacity of 880 kilowatts of AC and 1001 kilowatts of DC. In a short time, we upgraded the transformer substation to 1250 kilovolts ampere without stopping production. We installed 1,782 JA solar and Leapton solar PV modules on the roof. 8 Huawei Sun 2100 KTL M2 inverters convert solar energy into electricity that powers the plant. The Huawei Smart Logger 3000A monitoring system allows us to monitor energy production and consumption in real time. Upon completion of all the work, we amended the DNOs, opened and closed the notice of construction works, and put the solar power plant into operation. The project has increased energy efficiency for Logistor engineering, and we are proud to have been able to bring it to life. If you are looking for a reliable partner for the implementation of your energy projects, please contact ELM. We offer a comprehensive approach from design and construction to solving all technical and legal issues. With us, your energy solutions will be efficient and safe.